Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you all of you who subscribe to my channel and like and share my recipes to your friend. Today I am going to share with you two recipes. First, Balochi Namkeen Roast and Tandoori Naan at home on tawa. It's very easy. Hopefully you will enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friend. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the Balochi Namkeen Roast, we need this big size of lamb shank, 6 pieces, salt 1 tablespoon or according to your taste, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, cloves 5 to 6 pieces, cinnamon bark 1 piece, whole black pepper 12 to 13 pieces, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and half a cup oil.
Now we shall start the recipe. In a pressure cooker, add half a cup of oil and allow it to get warmed up on medium flame. Next, add your ginger and garlic paste and mix it for a few seconds. Now add the pieces of your lamb shanks and mix them well. Fry them till you get a nice medium brown color. Next, add your turmeric, your salt, and about 3 cups of water. Mix the entire mixture and allow it to boil. Next, add your fried onions. Mix again and allow it to boil together. Now cover the meat with your pressure cooker lid and allow it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're going to the recipe of your naan. So we're going to add about 3 cups of flour, plain flour, and in it we add your baking powder, your salt, and about 1 cup of water. You mix it well and knead it into a soft dough. And if you need more water, you can add a bit more water as well. You can see there's like a nice medium to soft consistency of the dough in here. Allow the dough to rest for about 22 minutes to about half an hour and cover it with a cloth. Now we have divided the dough into a couple of pieces, about 3 pieces in this case. We're going to flatten the dough and make a naan with your roller pin, and we'll add some water on the top. Now we're going to preheat our pan, the tawa, and going to add the naan that had the more wet surface towards the tawa. And now we're going to allow it to cook for a bit, and then we're going to flip it so that we can get a nice golden crust for the naan. You can keep on checking it for a few times just to make sure it doesn't burn. Yeah, you can see how beautiful the naan looks here. Now we're going to top it off with a bit of butter. You can add margarine or whatever you like. And we're also going to, I think, add some cologne in it. Yes. We're going to now remove the naan. It's slightly stuck, but it's okay. Yes, you can see how beautiful it looks. Lovely to eat. Next, we repeat the same process, and then we add some butter on the top. It's a different naan. I'm going to add it with top it with some mint. Getting back to our recipe, so we add a bit of turmeric powder, again black peppercorns. Now we are going to dish out the meat. It's beautiful and tender, and your dish is entirely ready. So you can serve it with dal and some freshly made naans. Enjoy. Thank you.